Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how the unboxing of the DREAME Aqua10. Okay, so as you can see right here in front of me, there is this DREAME vacuum and we're gonna unbox it. At first I'll need to cut all the tapes, so that'll take me a moment. I'll get back to you. Okay, I got it open, then there's another box inside, of course, so I'll need to get that out. Okay, so the box is here. I've purposely shown you the top of the box because it's gonna be easier for me to demonstrate what's inside if I show you the top of it. But on the sides there are pictures, of course, and everything, but let's cut the tape here on the top of the box. And let's get everything out. So you can see there's a quick start guide. That's gonna be pretty useful. It has all the data that you need to basically use at beginning, but of course there will be more videos on the channel, so you can go ahead and watch them if you'd like to know more about the robot and how to use it and everything. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or just search for a video on our channel. Now there is a little box here, and from what I can see we have the dust bag here. We have some sort of charging cable, I believe. Yeah, that's just power cord. Then a brush for cleaning the inside of the docking station, as well as the water tanks. Now, what else do we have is a detergent, which we can put inside our docking station, so a robot cleans with detergent, not only with water. By the way, remember that if you're using detergent, it is recommended that you use the official one. Then we have a big manual with everything in different languages, most likely. And that's basically all we get in this accessory box. So let's move on to some other things. So we get the robot here. We'll get to those boxes later. Yeah. Can I take the robot out? Or do I need to take the base station out first? We'll see. I'll take this cardboard first out. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, some cardboard to hold everything in place. And then there is the robot here. So we'll unbox that in just a little moment. And there's the docking station, of course. There's some cardboard as well to hold everything in place. And the docking station, which I'll just take out and show you because it's quite heavy. Okay, the base station is here. Let's get it out of this packaging. Okay. And this is what it looks like. It looks pretty sleek. Really good, I would say. So this is the base station. It doesn't have this like sliding place here yet. I'm expecting to see it in the robot in the robot box. So I'm gonna put everything here so we know what we get. The quick start guide, of course. By the way, there's also a video on setup, so if you don't want to read, you can always watch it. Now, the box with the robot contains also a few things. As I said, this thing to put on the base station, so you can actually, so the robot can actually go in. Yeah, so you put it just like right here. Just attach it there. Then the robot itself, let's get this thing out. And let's get that out of this wrapper. Okay, the robot itself looks really good as well. And I think it has this like lifting LDS system, so it can hide itself, like this LDS system, it can hide if it's going into some low clearance areas. So that is also pretty great. Oh, something got stuck in there. Shouldn't go like that. So yeah, this thing should be here around the robot, I think. No, it should be on the inside. Okay, yeah, that was fine. And yeah, I'm gonna rearrange everything in just a moment. Let's see if we get anything else. I don't think so. I don't see anything. Do we get the mopping pads pre-installed? Okay, this is the mopping roller. So it's already pre-installed. Okay, so I'll just clean everything up. I'll show you everything and that'll be it. Okay, so this is how everything presents together. We can open the lid here to see that we have the clean water tank and the dirty water tank. So that is also great. Do we have this door here? Yeah. There's already a dust bag pre-installed, so this is just a second one for replacement. And there's this place for the detergent. If you'd like to fill it in here, you can just fill it in, put it back in, and it's how it works. Okay, let's close that. On the inside here, we don't need to remove anything anymore. And it's basically it. By the way, there's also this place for the water to drip. You can clean that whenever you need. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.